on? Wait, this is a stock system, by the way, guys. But just listen to this. Listen to this sub back here. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's some JBL speaker thing right here. No, it's not showing that. You guys want to hear it? Wait. The bass didn't even drop you. Oh, don't worry about the license plate.
Pass out. Wake up.
Well, if anybody has something
your money. Millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire, tougher than Nigerian hair, my cry. I'm so elite on the sheet of the tablet in my mind, cause I don't write shit, cause I ain't got time for my son, daughter, father, motherfucker, copper, got the Maserati dancing on the bridge, pussy poppin', tell her. Then you mop them, you can't stand them, then you drop them. You pop them, cause we pop them like over and back. In here, a million there. Sicilian bitch with long hair, with coconut every year, make smoke. He's the dog, he's the motherfucking problem. Okay, you're a goon, but what's a goon to a goblin? With your own bitch, call me on my sidekick. Never answer with it's private. Damn, I hate a shy bitch. Yeah, nigga, this my bitch. So when she ask for the money, when you through, don't be surprised, bitch. Motherfucker, I'm ill, not sick. And I'm okay, but my watch sick. Motherfucker, I'm ill. Yeah, sick.
This is it already. Yo, Pierre, you want to come out here? Monkey.
Brother on that beat. Oh.
It sounds like someone's hitting the back of the
And I've been hustling all day, just a way, all way. Looking over valley grades, just the same. Money trees is the perfect place to shade, and that's just how it is.
I'll give you guys some front speaker action. Hold up. Look, it's flexing this water bottle. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's flexing the water bottle. I'm giving you guys some front speaker action. It's really 7 now. This sounds crazy back here. 6, 7.
Another casualty and more of your bitch. 2 bullets in my uncle Tony. He said one day I'll be on tour of your bitch. That Louis burgers never be the same. Hey, Louis though they never eat the pain. But I will purchase when that day is jerking. Pull up in churches with Pirelli skirt. Gang signs out the window, yeah bitch. Hoping our love will offend you, yeah bitch. They say, there's a pot to go. And we go crash it when nobody's home.
Okay, yeah, I have one.
Yes, sir. I'm a gorilla in the fucking school. In the pull up
I don't even care, bro.
Nigga, who the hell is you? I don't know, nigga. No, nigga. Pull up on your blocks. Come on, go, nigga. Go, nigga. Run, nigga. Run for the pole, nigga. Hey, please, nigga. Hey, gas what I smoke, nigga. Smoke. Gas in my dough. Jump out the window, nigga. No, you can't get no money, silly hoe. Silly hoe. I just said this thing funny.
Yeah, but anyway, that's the end of the video. Oh, shit. No, yeah, that vibration is... Anyway, yeah, cool, whatever you want in the comments, and I'll play it for you. Not in the van, but this is only a one-time thing. So you better like the video. If you don't, I'm gonna come in your room, and I'm gonna diddy you. Anyway, yeah, put whatever you want in the comments. I can play it when I want, sometimes. Not in the van though. Not in the van. Car, van, whatever it is. Yeah. Anyway, but I'm gonna give you guys an outro. Shut up. Anyway, I'm gonna give you guys an outro. Yeah. But yeah, if you guys want to know who's talking back there, I wonder if you guys heard of Kareem Lewis, right? The channel. That's him right there. That's my little bro twin. That's the little bro twin. Anyway, yeah, I can give you guys an outro though.
On the ground, low, so pick 'em up.
Yeah, that's all you guys are getting.